Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by logging into Keepa and confirming the extension is active on Amazon. This lets you pull live charts immediately. Next, set your marketplace and currency so price history matches your region. Once done, pick a primary category and type a concise keyword or ASIN. That combination narrows results faster than broad searches. Make sure to toggle the charts view and load the product page. This first pass gives you the raw data to filter further. Now refine. Set a realistic price range, target sales rank band, and minimum review count to eliminate noise. Then enable buy box and FBA flags to see fulfillment advantages, and switch new verses used to match your sourcing. Use Keepa's sales estimate and stock tracker overlays to view velocity and supply changes. These indicators explain why a price moved. Once you understand typical dips and peaks, mark potential products and export ASIN for deeper validation. Finish by validating profitability. Subtract Amazon fees, shipping, and unit cost from average sale price to confirm margins. Also review long-term charts for seasonal patterns and beware erratic spikes or suppressed listings that distort averages. If a product lacks history, widen the category or inspect similar ASIN to infer trends. If you encounter blank charts or missing data, refresh the extension, clear cache, or check your API request limits. Those fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.